Hi, I'm here at Corona del Mar, at Escala at Corona del Mar. It's in Talisay, in Pook, Talisay. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful beach and a nice swimming pool right here. Oh, so good, so beautiful.